Hello everyone, welcome to our next topic. In this topic, we will see request for removal for del del deny entry list for IEC. Under that, we will cover step-by-step procedure for removal for DEL from IEC. For step-by-step procedure for removal from DEL for IEC means denied entry list from import and export code. To revoke the denied entry list on existing import and export code on the DGFT portal would require means for revoke means you have to deny entry list from you have to remove for yourself from denied entry list. You have to visit DGFT portal, but before visit DGFT portal, you have to three things you have to require with you, that your valid credential for logging the DGFT portal. User should have active DSC, means your DSC should be active with your content details of a firm. Okay. And or Aadhaar for proprietor member of the firms. And third, IC with active DL order, means import and export code with our which are you want to be active in DL order. These things, three things you need to be with you. So step one, first you have to visit your DGFT portal, then log in with your valid credential. After that, click on menu. Then from the menu button, you have to click on service. From service, you have to click on import and export code. Okay. Now select the request for remove from DL tab and click on it. Now select the active DL order for the DL order list and then enter why the reason for remove the DL, why you want to remove DL from your IC, or select the DL order and provide the supporting document for the same and click on the submit button. Window will be pop up with for your digital signature. Once you submit the digital signature, then there will be pop up of the acknowledgement with the file number that has which has a success response. Okay, so you have to first visit DGFT portal as we visit. Now click on the service button, then click on IC profile management. Once you click on the IC profile management, search for the request removal for DL. Click on that, enter your login details. Once you enter the login details, once you log in, you have to active your DL order. First select the active DL order from DL order list and then reason why you want to remove DL from your IC. Then select the DL order and provide the supporting document for the same and click on the submit button. Once you click on the submit button, the window will be open for you asking for the digital signature. Once you upload or proceed with the submit the detail of DSC, and after submitting, there will be a pop-up window for your acknowledgement. There will be file number that show you have successfully submitted the document and your request for the removal of DL is successfully submitted. Okay. I hope you have understand the step procedure for removal for DL from IEC. So do you have any question or you want to reach us? You can simply email us info@skillanything.com or contact in this number. Thank you so much for watching the video.